There's a quiet power to a HELOC, a line of credit secured by your home that sits there like a loaded option. It can feel safe because the cash is your home's equity, but that safety is partly illusion. A HELOC still lives on your credit report, and every time you tap it, you change the signals lenders read about you. If you're thinking of using home equity, this half walks you through exactly what changes on your credit file, which scoring levers move, and what to expect the moment you apply. What a HELOC is. The basics that matter to credit scoring. A HELOC, home equity line of credit, is a revolving line of credit secured by your house. You get an approved limit, can draw against it during the draw period, repay, and draw again. Much like a giant credit card tied to your property. Because it's a line, it's reported to credit bureaus as a revolving account, not an installment loan, and that distinction matters for scoring. TransUnion and other bureaus describe HELOCs as revolving trade lines that show both the credit limit and the current balance, and these entries appear on your consumer credit report. The hard inquiry hit. The immediate, measurable effect. When you apply for a HELOC, the lender will almost always run a hard credit inquiry. A hard pull typically knocks your score down a few points temporarily, because scoring models treat new credit applications as a signal of newly increased risk. That dip is usually short-lived. It fades as time passes, but it's real, and it's the first way a HELOC can touch your score. Bank partners and lenders routinely warn applicants about that small initial dip. Revolving versus installment. How HELOCs feed utilization and mix. Here's where the nuance starts. HELOCs are revolving. Revolving accounts are the ones used to calculate credit utilization. Utilization is a major, fast-moving factor in most scoring models. However, and this is crucial, some FICO score versions historically exclude certain large HELOC limits from the utilization calculation, meaning a big HELOC limit might not inflate your available revolving credit denominator the same way a credit card limit would. Other models, and VantageScore, may include HELOC balances in utilization calculations. The practical result: how your HELOC affects utilization depends on which scoring model a lender uses and how your HELOC is reported. That's why two lenders can give different impressions of whether a draw on your HELOC hurts your score. Payment history. The slow, steady weight that never sleeps. Whatever model you use, one constant remains. Payment history is king. Making late or missed payments on your HELOC gets reported like any other late payment and can damage your score heavily. Conversely, consistent on-time HELOC payments, especially when used to replace higher rate debt and then paid on schedule, contribute positive installment/revolving payment history that benefits you over time. Think of the HELOC as a powerful but blunt instrument. Its payment record will either strengthen or weaken your long-run credit story. Opening a HELOC can change your credit age and mix metrics. Opening a new HELOC can also slightly reduce your average age of accounts, because a fresh account lowers the average. And it can change your credit mix, adding more revolving credit. These are smaller score inputs than payment history and utilization, but they exist, and for people near a credit threshold, small changes can matter. Lenders and credit education sources, like Chase and SoFi, commonly note that opening new large accounts can nudge scores downward briefly via these channels. When to use a HELOC, alternatives, and an operational plan to protect your score. You've seen the theory. Now here's the practical playbook. When a HELOC makes sense, how to apply without causing avoidable damage, and exact steps to protect your score before and after you draw. When a HELOC makes strategic sense, you need large, flexible funding, major home repairs, consolidation of many high-rate balances, or investment in home value. And you have a credible plan to repay. Your current mortgage rate is low, and a cash-out refinance would be more expensive in fees or add unwanted term. You can commit to disciplined repayment and understand that the loan is secured against your home. Bankrate and consumer finance analysts recommend HELOCs primarily for home value-enhancing projects or clear refinancing math when the lower rate beats alternatives. Alternatives to consider first and why they may be better. Personal installment loan. Fixed term, predictable payments, unsecured, avoids risking your home. Use if your balances aren't huge and you can qualify for a competitive APR. Example scenarios. How usage changes outcomes. Numbers you can model. Scenario A. Debt consolidation. $30,000 credit card balances at 22%. APR moved to a HELOC at 7% APR. Interest savings are large. Monthly payment becomes smaller. Credit-wise, you'll convert unsecured revolving debt into secured revolving debt. The net score change depends on whether the HELOC counts for utilization in your scoring model. If the model excludes HELOC from utilization, You'll see immediate benefits from lower revolving card balances. If the model includes it, you'll still often come out ahead because the total interest cost drops and on-time HELOC payments build positive history. Scenario B, large renovation draw. $80,000 for a remodel. Your reported revolving balance jumps. Some lenders or models may reflect higher utilization and push your score down temporarily. But if the renovation increases home value, or you pay down aggressively, the long-term benefits of increased equity and improved home value can outweigh short-term credit effects. The risk is, if the market softens and the HELOC limit gets pulled back. Scripts and language. What to ask lenders and why wording matters. Pre-application to the lender. Can you confirm whether my HELOC application will result in a hard inquiry on my Equifax/TransUnion/Experian report? Will you report the HELOC draws and limit to all 3 bureaus? And which scoring models do you reference for pricing? Get the answers in writing or email. If you need a temporary relief later, I'm managing an unexpected cash flow issue. Do you offer a hardship modification or temporary payment plan that keeps my HELOC in good standing and avoids 30-day delinquencies? Avoiding a 30-day late is far more important than small temporary concessions. Monitoring and follow-up. After the HELOC is open, check your credit reports 30 to 60 days after opening to ensure the HELOC is reported accurately. Limit, balance, account type. If it's reported incorrectly, for example, misclassified, dispute immediately with documentation. Bureaus and lenders will correct verified errors. Reassess periodically. If home values change, keep an eye on your HELOC status and adjust repayment strategy accordingly so you're never depending on a limit that can be rescinded. Final counsel. HELOCs are powerful but not neutral. A HELOC can be a credit builder if used to reduce high-cost debt and if you repay on schedule. It can also create short-term score wobble or long-term risk if the market turns and access is reduced. The smart borrower treats a HELOC like a lever. Apply force carefully, know the fulcrum, and keep one eye on the credit score gauges. For most consumers, the decision comes down to trade-off math. What does the HELOC save you in interest versus what it risks in secured exposure and credit signal changes? Use models, ask lenders hard questions, and protect the reporting timeline. Personalized HELOC. Decision support. A HELOC can help you or it can complicate your credit picture. If you want precise, numbers-backed guidance for your file, exactly how a particular HELOC draw will affect your reported utilization across models, whether a balance transfer or personal loan is cheaper, and when to apply to minimize scoring impact. WiseConsultant.com can model the options. Visit WiseConsultant.com and ask for a HELOC risk and timing review. We'll run the scenario for your balances, projected draws, and local market conditions, and tell you the path that protects credit and minimizes cost. Wise Consulting Enterprise. We could help you in such.